Gold can hold its value for several decades, which is why it's such a safe investment, but if you don't take care, it will tarnish and lose its beauty. Selling tarnished gold won't fetch the best price. What do you do with tarnished gold then? It is possible to restore the beauty and value of your gold by cleaning it at home. Baking soda is a potent cleaning agent. The mild alkali properties dissolve and eliminate dirt and grease quickly. When used undissolved, baking soda can also function as a mild abrasive or scoring powder for lifting stubborn stains. The product is non-toxic and you can use it for cleaning steel, glass, plastics, and gold. Using baking soda to clean gold jewelry with gemstones is not advisable as it can spoil the stones. Pour boiling water into the pan until the baking soda completely submerges the item. Leave it to soak for at least 5 minutes, but no longer than 10 minutes. Otherwise, the hot water might melt the adhesives and loosen the gemstones embedded in the jewelry. You don't have to stir the solution, because the aluminium foil will cause the hot water and baking soda to react automatically. Use tongs or any other tool to pull the gold out of the hot water. Wash it under cold water for 45 seconds while using your fingers to rinse it. You might want to place a sieve or colander in the sink to prevent the gold item from falling down the drain. Use a soft cloth to dry the gold and scrub off any baking soda remnants while buffing the item. Make sure the cloth remains between your fingers and the gold surface. After using the cloth, let the gold item air dry for 5 to 10 minutes before wearing it or returning it to storage. Milled dish soap is another effective solution for cleaning your tarnished gold. Avoid strong detergents, especially those products that contain phosphates and unfamiliar ingredients. If the purity of your gold jewelry is low, a strong detergent might be too abrasive and damage the jewelry irreparably. Place your gold in the water and soap solution and let it soak for 15 minutes. The soaking will soften the accumulated dirt, making it easier to remove as you scrub it. If the gold item has stones glued to it, the hot soapy water solution might dissolve the adhesive. You can prevent that kind of damage by soaking the item for no longer than a couple of minutes. Remove the gold from the soapy water and use a soft bristle toothbrush to score it. Rub it with a firm back and forth motion, but avoid being too heavy-handed on delicate items. Rough scrubbing may damage the item's surface with scratches or abrasions, or knock out the attached gems. After the cleaning, place the gold under warm running water to rinse off the soap. Rub every surface of the item with your thumb and forefinger whilst rinsing to ensure that all the soap is removed. Any soap residue will make the gold surface look creamy. Thanks for watching, until next time!